Hi, this is a step-by-step guide to log in our Teach India website and explore the lessons and exercises. Let's start. Open any web browser and start typing teachindia.shrikeshinfotech.com, and this is our web name. And you will be redirected to our homepage. So you can see the 3 lines icon at the top right corner. Click on that and click in the sign in. So for new users, you have to sign up, right? So click up sign up, enter the details like your name, your contact number and your email ID. School name, set your own password, confirm your password and click submit button. Here it is. This is our classroom. Here you can see the syllabus for grade 12 mathematics. Topics and subtopics were given. You can click on any topics and learn the lessons. Once you have learned the lessons, you can go to exercises and work out the exercises and test your knowledge. Thank you.